How to create a Fantasy Premier League account on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Fantasy Premier League application on your device, and once opened, you will be led to the login portal. Here, tap on the profile like icon on the bottom left of your screen and you will see the option for Join My PL. So tap on the Join My PL option you see there if you don't already have an account, and then tap on the Continue button you see there. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the Join My PL option you see there in order to create an account. Now, you can simply enter your email address in order to create an account, or you can also join with your Google account, your Facebook account, or your X account, or with your Apple account. For today, I will join with my email address. So if you want to join with email address too, then start by entering your email address in the email address text box you see here. Now, once you have entered your email address, tap on the Join with Email option you see there, and you will then be required to create your account password. So go ahead and create your account password by making sure that you meet the password requirements shown on the screen. You will then be required to enter your first name and your last name. So go ahead and enter your first name and your last name followed by your date of birth. Once entered, you will be required to select your gender, and then you will be required to select your country of origin and your nationality, which is totally optional. You will also be required to enter your phone number, which is optional too. Next, you will be required to select your language preference. So tap on it and then select your language preference, and finally agree to the terms and conditions of Fantasy Premier League, and then tap on the Create an Account option you see there at the bottom. You will now receive a verification code in the email ID that you just entered. So go ahead and enter the verification code sent to the email ID that you just entered. Once entered, tap on the Continue button on the bottom, and with this, as you can see, your account has been created successfully in Fantasy Premier League. So this was about how you can create an account in Fantasy Premier League. You can then go ahead and start by selecting your favorite clubs followed by your favorite player, and you can also select your preferences if you want. If not, you can simply tap on the Finish option you see there. So this was about how you can create an account in Fantasy Premier League on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.